Today's AI tool is called Gamma. It creates presentations, documents, and web pages in just a few seconds. No design or editing needed. Just go to gamma.app. No installation required. Sign up and set up basic steps. Now type anything you want. For example, make a presentation about how AI will change web development. Click Generate Outline. Click Generate. Look at this. In just a few seconds, it creates the full presentation for you. Slides, images, text, design. Everything is auto-made. If you want, you can click any text and change it. You can also regenerate sections with one click. If everything is fine, you can export it. It also allows you to share it as a link, PDF, or web page. Super simple. Do you use this AI tool? Tell me in the comments. Follow and subscribe to tomorrow's AI tool. I'm Code with Lasa.